Hey everybody, I'm in the backyard this week for my science demonstration, science experiment, and today we are going to make a foam blower. Something really simple, really cool. Doesn't take a lot to do, but it's really cool. And so we're gonna demonstrate how soap film, some film can be manipulated. How it could be, normally you'd have one big bubble. You can do one big bubble, or you can do several bubbles that blow in the wind. But I'm going to show you how to make a long chain of bubbles, a foam chain or a foam snake. What you need to do it is you need a bottle, cut off the bottom, make sure that you have your parents help you. If you're using scissors, you can use a water bottle, you can use a Coke bottle, a 2-liter bottle, whatever bottle you have. Just cut off the bottom, okay? You have the end, which you're gonna blow through. A sock. Make sure it's not a expensive sock because you're gonna have to cut it off, so make it like a sock that you don't want anymore. But it works better with a nylon sock, and I'll explain why in a second. And then all you need is some water and soap. Now just don't put the water, you put the water in first and squirt the soap in, and then mix it with your finger a little bit just to kind of get it mixed up. Not too foamy though. All right. So the way we do this is we take our bottle. We take our bottle and the bottom of the bottle, and we take our sock right here, and we stretch the sock over, stretch it right over, so it's nice and tight, just like that. You see that? Nice and tight. Okay? And then we're going to dip it. We're going to dip it in the soap water solution. Now, what's happening is it's the same thing as if you took a little hoop, plastic hoop, and dipped it in there and blew it and saw the bubbles, the soap bubbles blow in the wind or blow in front, But we're using a sock, and a sock, if you look, I'm going to stretch it really tight if I can. It has lots of space. The little hoops of fabric make an area where a soap bubble can form. And when you blow, it doesn't blow a big bubble, it blows lots of tiny bubbles. And basically that's what foam is. Lots of tiny bubbles. So let's try this. Here we go. All right. I dipped my end of my foam blower into the solution. Now you got to blow pretty hard because you're blowing through a sock, okay? And I have a wide opening, so I have to kind of blow, harder. If you have a narrow open, it's a little easier, more pressure. But let's see what we can do. All right, here we go. Move this out of the way. Ready? This is basically a foam snake or a foam worm, whatever you want to call it. But if you look, these bubbles were formed by blowing air through tiny little hoops that foam film collected on. And so when you blow air, you're just blowing little tiny bubbles out, and they collect together because bubbles stay together. Let me show you. Bubbles stay together for just a small time. Their molecular structure keep the bubbles together until the air pressure pops them. See, they kind of stay together, but eventually they will pop and they will disappear. But they stay together for a little bit. So the science is very simple. Air blown through tiny little hoops in this fabric creates lots of bubbles. That's it. That's what a foam blower is. Let's do it one more time. Make sure it's tight over there, tight over the end. You dip it. Doesn't have to be a lot. You don't have to dip the whole thing. You can just dip the end of it. Make sure you have solution on there, and then you blow. All right, let's see how long I can get it. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! There you go. That's how you make a foam blower. All right. So, what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to change this up a little bit. I want you to use a different kind of bottle, a different size bottle, maybe use a different sock. Maybe use a different dishwashing liquid. I just have a just normal dishwashing liquid. Try something else. Try like regular soap. Try something else. Try the bubble soap if you have some bubble soap. See if you can get the foam bigger. I don't know. We'll find out. But you guys are creative. You're amazing, and you've done some great things this spring with our science thing. I'm looking for amazing, good things coming from you with this. I want you to try this. This is really easy. It doesn't take a lot, and you'll have a lot of fun. Okay. One quick update: our monarch caterpillars are now clinging to the top of the cup, and that means that they're getting ready to build their chrysalis, which is how they build their chrysalis in their cocoon. And then once they stay in the cocoon, the caterpillars become butterflies, and they will basically live in the net for a few days. I'll keep in the net and show you guys, but I'll make sure that I'm continuing to send you pictures and videos about how this life process goes. It's really, really cool. Okay. All right. I love you guys. Miss you. Let's see what you can do. I'm really excited to see what you guys are going to show me. Send me videos. All right. Bye.